Most people think the loudest person in the room has the most power. They're wrong. In reality, the person talking is the one being hunted. Every word they say is a piece of data, a leak in their armor. But there is another person, the one sitting in the corner, nursing a drink, saying nothing. They aren't shy, they are mapping. They're seeing your insecurities, your desperate need for approval, and the lies you tell to fit in. Today we're uncovering the differentiated perceiver, the quiet observer that Carl Jung warned us about. We'll show you why your silence makes people terrified, and how to use your vision to navigate a world full of noise. Why does silence feel so heavy? Because silence is a mirror. When you don't speak, people are forced to face themselves. In the absence of your words, they begin to project their own insecurities onto you. They think you are judging them. They think you know their secrets. This is the mirror effect. By saying nothing, you become an ink blot test. While they scramble to fill the silence with nervous chatter, they reveal everything. You aren't just quiet, you are a psychological void that they are desperate to fill. The danger of seeing everything is that you begin to notice the glitches in the social matrix. You see the boss who bullies because he's terrified of his own incompetence. You see the friend who congratulates you while their eyes stay cold. Jung called this seeing the shadow. To master this, the tactical pause. Wait 3 seconds longer than necessary before answering. Watch their pupils, watch their hands. The information vacuum. People will literally hand you their secrets just to stop the discomfort of your silence. The calm pulse. When everyone else is reacting, your stillness marks you as the alpha. In nature, the predator is always still before the strike. The world rewards the loud, but it fears the silent. Because if they don't know what you're thinking, they don't know how to stop you. Your vision is a gift. Use it. Observe. Analyze, and only speak when your words are more powerful than your silence. If you found the glitch in the room today, type observer in the comments. Let's see who's really watching.